concrete mix design. Following are the requirement of concrete mix design. First, that is a minimum compressive strength required. Second, compacting equipment required for the compaction. Third, mix be cohesive so as to avoid possibility of honeycomb, bleeding and segregation. Fourth, that is durability for the particular site condition. Now next factor affecting the mix design. First, that is grade designation. In grade designation is M7.5, M5, M10, M15, M20, that is grade designation. M5 the proportion is different, M7.5 proportion is different, M10 proportion is different. So mix design also different. So its effect on factor affecting mix design. Second, that is a type of cement. Third, maximum nominal size of aggregate. Different type size of aggregate, that is 10 mm, 20 mm, 40 mm. So its effect on mix design. Next, water cement ratio. 50 is workability, 6 is durability and 7 is quality control. Now we see design a concrete mix for a grade M40 as per IS 20262/2009. A part is stipulation for proportioning. First, grade designation M40, type of cement OPC 43. Maximum nominal size of aggregate is 20 mm. Minimum cement content 320 kg per meter cube. Maximum water cement ratio, that is 0.45. 6 workability, 100 mm slum. It is calculated by slum cone method. 7 is exposure condition. It is a sieve for reinforced concrete. We used reinforced concrete for mixed design. 8, method of concrete placing by vibrator or pumping. 9 is degree of supervision is good. Now 10th is type of aggregate, crushed angular aggregate. 11, maximum cement content 450 kg per meter cube. In fourth point, we see minimum cement content is 320 kg per meter cube and maximum cement content is 450 kg per meter cube. And chemical admixture type, it is a super plasticizer. Super plasticizer is used for water reducer. Next point, B part is test data for material. First is cement used OPC 43 grade. The specific gravity of OPC 43 grade is 3.15 and is calculated by conical flask method. Second, specific gravity of fine aggregate is 2.74 and is calculated by pygnometer method. Second, specific gravity of coarse aggregate is 2.74. It is calculated by density basket method. Third, test data, water absorption of coarse aggregate is 0.5 and fine aggregate is 1%. Is calculated by oven drying method. Now solution of concrete mix design. Step number 1, target strength for mix proportion. Formula is F-CK equals to FCK plus 1.65 into S, where F-CK equals to target average strength at 28 days, FCK equals to characteristics compressive strength at 28 days, S is standard deviation. Standard deviation we can take from table. Below the table is grade of concrete and assume standard deviation Newton per mm square. Now our grade designation is M40. For M40, the assume standard deviation is 5. Target strength F-CK equals to FCK plus 1.65 into S. 40 plus 1.65 into 5. 5 take from table. Standard deviation equals to 48.25 Newton per mm square. Now step 2, selection of water cement ratio. Maximum water cement ratio is 0.45. Minimum cement content, maximum water cement ratio and minimum grade of concrete for different exposure with normal weight aggregate of 20 mm size is given in below table. Now our grade is M40. For M40, plain cement and reinforced cement table given. For reinforced concrete M40, the maximum water cement ratio is 0.40. So adopt water cement ratio as a 0.40. 0.40 is less than 0.45. That's why it's okay. Step number 3, selection of water content. Maximum water content per meter cube of concrete for nominal size of aggregate given in table. Nominal maximum size of aggregate 10, 20, 40 mm and maximum water content for 10 mm is 208 kg, for 20 mm is 186 kg, 40 mm 165 kg. We consider 20 mm aggregate size. So maximum water content is 186 kg. But it's 186 kg, it is for 50 mm slum. Our slum is 100 mm. So note is 3% increase for every 25 mm slum. We have to increase 50 mm slum. So for 50 mm slum is increased by 6%. So 186 plus 6%, 186 equals to 197 kg. Now when super plasticizer used, we used super plasticizer for reduction of water. So take a trial, 29% water reduction. 100% minus 29% is equal to 75%. The coefficient is 0.71. So 197 into 0.71 is 140 liter. So our selection of water content is 140 liter. Step number 4, calculation of cement content. Water cement ratio is 0.40. We know our formula is water cement ratio equals to weight of water upon weight of cement. In step number 3, we calculate weight of water is 140 liter and we know the water cement ratio is 0.4. So we can calculate water weight of cement. So weight of cement is 350 kg per meter cube. For severe exposure condition, it is 320 kg per meter cube. So 350, it is greater than 320 kg. So it's okay. Now step number 5, proportion of volume of coarse aggregate and fine aggregate content. Volume of coarse aggregate per unit volume of total aggregate for different zone of fine aggregate. Different zone of coarse aggregate and fine aggregate we can calculated as a sieve analysis method. By using sieve analysis method, we get zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4. For nominal size of aggregate, our nominal size of aggregate is 20 mm. So 20 mm and our zone we consider is 0.60. So for 0.60, it is a volume of coarse aggregate. We consider zone 1. So for 0.50 water cement ratio, the volume of coarse aggregate corresponding 20 mm is 0.60. But our water cement ratio is 0.40. So the difference between 0.50 minus 0.40 is 0.10. So volume of coarse aggregate increased by 0.02. How? So 0.01 for every 0.05. Changes in water cement ratio. Our changes is 0.10. So for that we increased by 0.002. So 0.60 plus 0.02 is 0.62. Volume of coarse aggregate equals to 0.62 into 0.9. How get 0.9? 0.9 is considered when concrete is placed by pumping. 10% is reduced. So 100 minus 10 equals to 90%. So we consider 0.62 into 0.9 is 0.56. And volume of fine aggregate is total is 1. 1 minus 0.56. 0.56 is volume of coarse aggregate. So 0.44 is a volume of fine aggregate. Now step number 6. Step number 6 is mixed calculation. Mixed calculation for volume of concrete we calculated is for 1 meter cube. Second, volume of cement. Volume of cement equals to mass of cement upon specific gravity of cement into 1 upon 1000. In step number 4 we calculate mass of cement is 350. Specific gravity of cement is 3.15 into 1 upon 1000. We get 0.111 meter cube is volume of cement. Third, volume of water equal to mass of water upon specific gravity of water into 1 upon 1000. We calculate mass of water in step number 3 is 140 upon specific gravity of water is 1 into 1 upon 1000. That is volume of water is 0.140 meter cube. Now next, volume of chemical admixture. Formula is mass of chemical admixture upon specific gravity into 1 upon 1000. Mass of chemical admixture, how calculate? We know the cement content is 350. To take 2% of cement content. 2 upon 100 into 350. 2 upon 100 into 350 we get 7. So 7 upon 1.145. 1.145 is a specific gravity of chemical admixture is given in chemical admixture bottle. Into 1 upon 1000 we get 0.006 meter cube. It is a volume of chemical admixture. Now volume of all aggregate. It is how calculate? We know. Concrete, it is a mixture of cement, sand, aggregate, water and admixture. Concrete we calculate for 1 meter cube. We know cement volume, water volume and admixture volume. Now we have to calculate sand and aggregate. So here volume of all in aggregate 1 minus 0.111 plus 0.140 plus 0.006. It is E, means volume of all in aggregate is 0.743 meter cube. Now mass of coarse aggregate is equals to volume of all in aggregate into volume of coarse aggregate into specific gravity of coarse aggregate into 1000. In step number 5 we calculate volume of coarse in aggregate. So volume of all in aggregate is 0.743. Volume of coarse aggregate is 0.56 calculated in step number 5. Specific gravity of coarse aggregate is 2.74 into 1000. So mass of coarse aggregate is 1140 kg per meter. Mass of fine aggregate is volume of all in aggregate into volume of fine aggregate into specific gravity of fine aggregate into 1000. Volume of all in aggregate we calculated is 0.743. Volume of fine aggregate is calculated in step number 5 is 0.44. Specific gravity of fine aggregate is 2.74 into 1000. We get mass of fine aggregate is 896 kg per meter cube. Step number 5. We calculate cement is 350 kg per meter cube. Water 140 kg per meter cube. Fine aggregate 896 kg per meter cube. Coarse aggregate 1140 kg per meter cube. Chemical admixture 7 kg per meter cube and water cement ratio is 0.40. It is the mixed design step of M40 as per IS 10262.